Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ultralight app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ultralight is a minimalistic photo editor built for users who want quick and aesthetic adjustments without a complicated interface. It offers a clean workspace and a solid set of tools like exposure, contrast, saturation, fade, grain, sharpness, and tint. The app is particularly favored by creators who prefer lightweight editing and subtle cinematic tones. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app runs smoothly on most devices and delivers responsive performance, even during live preview editing. Users appreciate the simplicity and speed. You can adjust a photo within seconds and share it instantly. The interface is intuitive, with easy slider controls and quick reset options. It's a go-to app for people who want beautiful edits without layers of menus or features. That said, there are some limitations. Advanced features like curves, brushes, or selective edits are missing, which may disappoint users seeking professional-level control. Also, some filters and features are locked behind a paywall, and the export resolution might be limited in the free version. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Ultralight is great if you're looking for a clean, no-fuss photo editor that focuses on essential tools and a smooth editing experience. It's not for power users, but perfect for